I didn't.
So did I.
I only got in for like 3 seconds. I didn't get in at all. Yeah, that's the tears. Oh, look who's talking, big face. Here's $10.
Okay.
Stuff's coming in.
You got stuff to go in there?
Stand back. Big knife in there. Alright, stir. Keep on stirring. Stuff's coming.
That's it, get it all in? Oh, it's hot.
Oh, that's hot. Done. Maddie, just soup, please. Like, just. But don't forget the macaroni. Like, don't forget the macaroni. Macaroni. I got burned just by touching the bowl. I know. I burned my lip. I cannot be bothered with this. Oh, that's hot. It's nice, actually.
You want another one?
Yeah. You can have mine. Oh, why is it all bubbling now?
Because it's right up hot.
Can we turn it off?
That's freaking me out. No, it's just weird. Oh, that was hot.
What have we got?
Wherever I go, smoke always comes. I know, it's one of those habits. Oh, Scott took a picture of me.
I'm happy with my banana.
Yeah, look at my banana.
I actually skipped a huge canoe bit out of that. Is that good? Oh.
I'm asking for a banana. That can go in there. Excuse me, where's the porky pig? Mine.